So this is the weather in Spanish. El tiempo, the weather. Tiempo can sometimes mean time, but in this case we're using it to mean the weather. So what do we have? Hay tormenta. Hay tormenta. It's stormy. Llueve. It's raining. Or hace mal tiempo. It's bad weather. Hace viento. Or hay viento. It's windy. Hace sol. It's sunny. Or hace buen tiempo. It's good weather. Hace frío. It's cold. Está nublado. It's cloudy. Nieva. It's snowing. And hace calor. It's hot. Okay, let's see the words now. Hay tormenta. It's stormy. Llueve. It's raining. Hace mal tiempo. It's bad weather. Hace viento. It's windy. Although you can say hay viento as well. This I here, and then viento afterwards. Hace sol. It's sunny. Hace buen tiempo. It's good weather. Hace frío. It's cold. Está nublado. It's cloudy. Nieva. It's snowing. And hace calor. It's hot. Okay, so we have all the pictures again. And then the words at the bottom. Do you remember what they all are? Hace sol. Which one was that? Hace sol. It's sunny. Hace calor. Hace calor. It's hot. Llueve. It's raining. Hay tormenta. It's stormy. Nieva. It's snowing. Hace viento. It's windy. Hace frío. It's cold. Está nublado. It's cloudy. I guess it's all of them. So, here we have a map of Spain. La geografía de España. The geography of Spain. Oh, así que, ¿dónde están? So, where are Barcelona, Valencia, Santander, Santiago de Compostela, Madrid, Murcia, Málaga, Los Pirineos, and Sevilla? Where would you put them? Which smiley face would you attach them to? You can pause it here to have a go yourself. And these are the answers coming up. Barcelona, Valencia, Santander, Santiago de Compostela, Madrid, Murcia, Málaga, Los Pirineos, which are the Pyrenees, and Sevilla. Okay, so the question, ¿Qué tiempo hace en España? What's the weather like in Spain? El pronóstico del tiempo, the weather forecast. So this is a weather forecast that you might read in a newspaper in Spain. What you need to do now is write or draw the symbols that refer to the weather in the bottom here on the map. Pause it after you've heard me read it through. Hoy en el norte de España hace un poco de frío y en el noroeste cerca de Santiago de Compostela nieva mucho. En el centro, cerca de Madrid, hay tormenta y llueve mucho. En el este, cerca de Valencia, está muy nublado, pero en el noroeste hace calor y está despejado. En el sur de España, en Málaga, hace mucho calor y hace mucho sol. Y finalmente, en el sureste de España, hace mucho viento y está nublado, pero llueve. Okay, so where would we put all the things? So, snowing at the top. So your map should look something like this. Notice here when we say in the north of Spain, it's a little bit cold. Un poco, hace un poco de frío. Nieva mucho, it's raining, it's snowing a lot. Mucho we also use when we use hace. So if we want to say it's very cold, hace mucho frío. But when we say it's very cloudy, if we use the verb estar, está, then we use muy afterwards to make it very, as we would know normally. It's just when we use nieva, llueve, and hace, we use mucho after to make it it's a lot. It's very hot or it's raining a lot. So in the north of Spain, it's a little bit cold, and in the northeast near Santiago de Compostela, it's snowing a lot. In the centre near Madrid, there's a storm and it's raining a lot, and in the east near Valencia, it's very cloudy. But in the northeast, it's hot and it's clear skies. We didn't do this on the last one, but está despejado, it's clear skies. In the south of Spain, in Malaga, it's very hot and it's very sunny. And finally, in the southeast of Spain, it's very cloudy, but it's not raining. Okay, let's move on to the next bit. So we have a map of Spain again. This time you need to have a look at the map and write your own weather forecast. Okay, pause it when you're ready to write it, and then you could hand this to your teacher to have a little look at. Okay, so we've done the present tense. Está nublado, it's cloudy, and hace sol, it's sunny. If we're going to use it in the future tense, because most of the weather forecasts that we use will be in the future tense, we use va a, and then we use the infinitive of this verb here, estar. It's going to be cloudy. And when we use the verb hacer, we use va a, and then we put hacer and then sol. So we use the infinitive of the verb of this verb here, hacer, which we use for weather. So this is what it would be like hoy, today, and mañana, tomorrow. So if you've got hace frío, what do you think the future tense might be of that? Hace frío, it's cold. What are we going to put for it's going to be cold? That's right. Va a hacer frío. What about está congelado? This one, it's freezing. But again, we're using the verb estar. Va a estar congelado. That's right. It's going to be freezing. Next one. Hace viento. It's windy. And we're going to use for the future for this. Va a hacer viento. That's right. It's going to be windy. Hay tormenta. Now this one's slightly different because it's not using the verbs there. We use the verb hay. There is literally, there is a storm. Hay tormenta. You might translate it to it is stormy. In the future it would go va a haber, because this verb here is from the infinitive haber. It's going to be stormy, or there is going to be a storm. Nieva. Where does that verb come from? Can you find it in the dictionary? To snow. And how would we do the future? Va a nevar, so the infinitive is nevar. Llueve, it's raining. Again, what's the infinitive for that? How would we do that in the future? Va a llover. If you're not sure about how this tense works, have a look at a video or some notes on how to do the future tense, the near future tense. So, ¿qué tiempo hace en, what's the weather like in, pon el tiempo correcto para cada época del año. Let's put the right weather for each period of the year. So, how would you finish this off? En abril, what would you put for weather? So you might put hace frío, sometimes, a veces, or hace viento, and you could add in some adverbs of time in as well. So have a go at filling this in, and again, show your teacher so they can have a look at what you've written. And more to do in febrero. Okay.